10. Best free Telegram dating bot. For 2025, without payment, tired of paying for dating apps that never deliver or bots that hit you with hidden fees? In this video, we're revealing the 10 best free Telegram dating bots for 2025. Perfect for connecting with new people without spending a dime. Be sure to watch the whole video because there's a surprise waiting for you at the end. 10. FlirtBot is great for sparking fun and flirty conversations. It's completely free and perfect for breaking the ice. 9. This bot matches users based on interests and location, making it ideal for finding like-minded singles nearby. No payment or premium features required. 8. Soulmate Finder lets you chat anonymously until you feel comfortable. It focuses on genuine connections, not gimmicks. 7. LoveLink connects you with other Telegram users looking for love or friendship. The interface is simple and there are no annoying subscription plans. 6. Date Radar helps you filter matches by age, location, and preferences. It's perfect for those who want control over their dating experience without paying a cent. 5. ChatBuddy specializes in connecting people looking for serious relationships. It also offers icebreaker suggestions to keep the conversation flowing. 4. Heart. Heart focuses on emotional compatibility. It's a great bot for those seeking deep, meaningful conversations without any cost. 3. Global LoveBot connects users worldwide, breaking down barriers for international dating. It's a fantastic option for those open to long-distance connections. Do you like our tips so far? Like and subscribe to our channel to discover more secrets about online dating. Or why not join our free dating community? The link is in the description. Now, let's continue. 2. TrueMatch uses a personality quiz to pair you with people who align with your values. It's completely free, and the matches are surprisingly accurate. 1. Find. Your crush is the ultimate bot for discovering mutual interests and potential partners. Its sleek design and no-cost features make it the top choice for 2025. Bonus 1. If you're looking for friendship or something casual, Friend Finder is a fun, no-pressure option. It's all about making connections, not payments. 2. DateBot X is great for finding both local and global matches. With no fees or hidden charges, it's an excellent addition to your dating tools. You are welcome to join our free international dating community. The link is in the description and comments. Is our video helpful to you? Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel to get more tips about online dating. Want to know more secrets about online dating? Watch these videos next.